The telescoping extender pole can be used to hang jack chain safely from the floor. You will need eyelag screws, S-hooks, and jack chain cut to the proper length. Lower the ring on the wire head of the extender pole using a 1/16 Allen wrench. Use pliers to assemble the S-hook to the eyelag. Insert the jack chain into the slot to keep it from whipping as the pole is rotated. Then insert the eyelag into the head of the pole. Position the screw onto the ceiling. Screw it in slowly to prevent the chain from whipping. Lower the pole.